Lake sits on the border of Utah and Idaho. The lake is about 20 miles long. We were traveling up from central Utah, so we drove through the beautiful Logan Canyon. We usually visit in August, but this time we went in June, and we were met with so many spring flowers. There's a marina where you can either launch your own watercraft or rent one to use during your stay. We've rented wave runners in the past, but this year we decided just to use skimboards, paddleboards, and swim. Bear Lake is perfect for kids to paddleboard and swim since it is so shallow. You have to walk quite a ways out before it even reaches your waist. The shallow depth also helps with the water temperature. It's warmer than many other lakes. As of this year, a parking reservation is needed for the North Beach, so hop online before you visit. I'll link to the website in the description below. Up on the hill overlooking the lake is an adventure park. It has very reasonable rates and has something for all ages. They have a giant rock climbing wall, rappelling, a zip line, disc golf, a bouncy house, a playground, giant slides, a 4-level rope course, axe throwing, and mini golf. Garden City, a town right on the lake, is known for their Raspberry Days celebration. It's the first week of August every year, but you can enjoy raspberry treats all summer long. Raspberry shakes are our favorite. Minnetonka Cave is up the canyon just a short distance from the lake. There is a small fee for the guided tour, but it is well worth the cost. After a short scenic walk, you'll reach the cave entrance. There are quite a few stairs, 444 to be exact, and the tour takes a little over an hour. There are plenty of stalagmites and stalactites, as well as a little stream and some waterfalls. It is so cool. You might even spy some bats. We had heard how beautiful the Bloomington Lake was, so we headed up the canyon. We reached a gate that led to the trailhead and it was closed. It opens on July 1st, so we'll have to try again next time. But how could we be upset when we got to enjoy these beautiful views? Bear Lake is a great place for families to visit. There are so many things to do. Make sure to hit subscribe for more travel videos. I also share DIY and garden. Thank you for taking the time to watch.